this is Julia with 5-Star Potties, and today in the studio we have Adriana.
Hi.
And today we will show you how to face paint quick and easy dolphin design. On the right eye we have some blue. Okay, very pretty. Alright, and while this blue is drying, we will go ahead and paint our dolphin. Okay, dolphin goes this way. Alright, here's the tail, and the body and the head of the dolphin will be on a cheek. Alright.
It's pretty.
It is very pretty. Okay, the nose might be a little tricky, but with a little practice, it gets better. Alright, Adriana, and then there is a one. Okay. Alright, baby, close your eyes, please. I like to put glitter. Close, close, close. Oh, very pretty. And while our dolphin is drying, we will go back on our right side and we will paint the waves. Okay, it goes like this. Alright, keep your head up, honey. Alright, one.
Mama?
Yeah, 2, 3.
Mama.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, so pretty. Close your eyes, please, Adriana. We put glitter on the side. Oh, it's gonna be so pretty and sparkly.
I see, Mommy.
Alright, here for the dolphin, I see we have highlights, so we're gonna go ahead and paint the highlights. Alright, on the top. Okay, wait, baby. The mouth. Okay. And I'm going to grab a smaller brush for the dolphin's eyes and borderlines. For the borderlines, I like to use a thin brush. Chin up, please. Alright, so here comes the eye. The eyelashes. Alright, we can add more borderlines.
Mommy,
Alright.
I love you.
I love you, baby. Let's add some dots and we will be all done. Super quick. And we will be adding some dots here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and over here. Okay, now we go. Add some here, maybe here, and some dots over here, and
It tickles.
oh, it tickles. I'm sorry, baby. And a little blink. Adriana, you want to add some gems? Oh, so pretty. Our dolphin looks so cute. Do you want blue? Okay. And our dolphin is ready. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up
It's Skype.
and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.